fighter jets have been spotted flying over Chelmsford for the second time this week. A roaring noise has been heard by many residents this afternoon as 4 jet planes soared through the sky, Sunday, October 10th. The 4 planes were clearly visible overhead, tracking one after the other in formation. This is the second time this week jets have flown over the city, previously spotted on Wednesday, October 6th, when loud roaring alerted many people to the jets overhead. These jets seem to be a bit quieter than the ones heard on Wednesday, and more clearly visible in the sky. The jets seen on Wednesday were thought to be US Air Force F-15 military jets, setting off from RAF Mildenhall. The jets flew in one direction over Chelmsford, and then turned around and came back again. One resident, who asked to remain anonymous, said, "I heard a roaring sound overhead, but unlike earlier this week, I could clearly see at least 4 jets overhead." They added, "Funnily enough, I would say it wasn't as loud as earlier in the week."